Hask collocation dictionaries developed by Piotr Pezik at the University of Łódź are essentially phraseological databases meant to be used by linguists, language teachers, lexicographers, language materials developers, translators and other language professionals and casual dictionary users. There are two main functions in Hask, browser and Colosaurus. The first function, browser. Hask collocation browser gives you instant access to lists of word combinations found in reference corpora of English and Polish. You can use the browser to find potential collocates of any noun, verb, adjective or adverb in a number of predefined patterns. In addition to detailed statistics, it is also possible to browse through the underlying concordances, visualize and download phraseological profiles for a given entry. You may click on the Browser tab in the menu bar or simply input a target word in the search box of the home page. For example, if you input the word estimate, it will generate some predefined collocations for your reference. You can click one of them based on your needs. Here, we may just click on the search button to get the result. This is the search result, which shows collocations with the word estimate in different part of speech. For example, in the first line, verb collocating with nouns means when estimate is used as a verb. Its collocation with nouns has 151 counts, and the collocate nouns can occur before or after estimate, up to 2 words on the left or right. You may also click the arrow button to see the list of the collocates. This is the result for the noun collocates of estimate as a verb. If you click on the inverted triangle in the third column A, the result will be displayed from high frequency to low frequency. You can click the Spreadsheet button on the right to see the whole collocate list in Excel, or click the Visualization button to visualize the collocates in the pie chart based on their frequency. You can also click the arrow button under Details to see the concordance lines of each collocate. For example, if you click the Details button for the collocate cost, you will get the detailed information and the concordance lines of estimate as a verb plus cost as a noun. The second function, Colosaurus. On closer inspection, most words which we might think to be synonymous turn out to be used in different textual combinations. Colosaurus is an innovative tool for comparing textual company words keep. Using graph-based visualizations, Colosaurus makes it possible to quickly investigate which typical collocates are shared by a number of words of interest. Users can download and remodel the word graphs generated. It is also possible to check the original concordances used to generate a given edge in the graph. You may click on the Colosaurus tab to compare collocates of synonyms in different ways. For example, you may input synonyms in the search box such as frightening, scary, and alarming, and click on the search button to get the results. In addition, you may filter the search need under Option. For example, if you want to see the 3 synonyms as adjectives and their collocate nouns right after them. For nodes part of speech, you choose adjective. For collocates part of speech, you choose noun. Minimum co-occurrence, choose 3, and the collocate positions, choose -1, which means 1 noun word right after the 3 synonyms. You will get the nouns that collocate with frightening, scary, and alarming. The default result display is matrix. For example, the first line shows that the word amount collocated with alarming for 3 times occurring in concordances, alarming amount, but it never collocated with frightening or scary. You can click the Spreadsheet button on the right to download the search result in Excel. You can also click 3 to check the original concordances. This shows the 3 occurrences of the collocation alarming amount in context. You may also click on the Dracula in the menu bar to view the graph Dracula of the 3 words collocates. The circles in 3 different colors, red, blue, and green, represents the collocates of the 3 words, frightening, scary, and alarming, separately, with the keywords in the center. You may also click on the Gephi to view the graph Gephi of the 3 words collocates, with the 3 keywords in the center. the graph can be downloaded. You may click on the e-chart to view the mind map of the three words collocates. The circles in different colors represents the collocates of the three words separately, with the keywords in the center. When hovering over the target word, frightening, it can tell that there are 28 noun collocates with the word. When hovering over the collocate word, people, in pink circle, it can tell that two of the target words can collocate with it, frightening and alarming. When hovering over the collocate word, thing, in dark blue circle, it can tell that the three target words can all collocate with thing. That is, frightening thing, alarming thing, scary thing. This graph is more readable and easy to analyze. It informs learners whether some collocates can be used interchangeable with the synonyms and helps them make lexical choice between synonyms. You may also click on the word such as thing to see examples in context. For example, these are the concordances of alarming thing. You may also get the concordances of frightening thing and scary thing by clicking the two words respectively. On the right of the mind map you can find 4 icons. You can remodel the e-charts generated or save it as an image. Finally, you may also click on the Downloads button to download the word graphs generated in different formats.